Hi, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix peaks in Audacity with the 2024 update, step by step. Peaks can make your audio sound harsh or distorted, so it's essential to reduce them for a cleaner sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure you have your audio loaded in Audacity. You'll notice some parts of the waveform have very high peaks, both at the top and bottom. Now, select the portion of the audio where you want to reduce the peaks. You can either highlight a specific part or press Ctrl-A or Command-A on Mac to select the entire track. Step 2. Next, go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen and then select Volume and Compression. Click on it to open the Amplifier Settings window. Step 3 in the Amplifier Settings, adjust the new peak amplification to a value of -10 dB. This range helps reduce the peaks without distorting the audio quality. Once you've made the adjustment, click OK to apply the changes. Step 4. Now take a look at your waveform. You'll see the peaks have been reduced, resulting in a smoother and more balanced audio track. Play your audio to make sure it sounds the way you want. If necessary, you can repeat the process with a different dB setting to fine-tune the peaks further. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.